This tutorial shows you how to deploy a source course using the Courses tool. Use Deploy to copy the contents of a single source course into multiple inactive course offerings at once. You can only deploy to inactive courses. Deploying overwrites all existing content, class progress, and grades in each destination course. Proceed only if you intend to replace the destination course. To use the deploy functionality with source courses, users require the See Source Courses tab and deploy source courses permissions under Manage Courses in the Roles and Permissions tool. User must also have the following permissions: copy components into org unit, set for at least course offering level, under Import, Export, Copy Components. Copy components out org unit, set for at least source course level, under Import, Export, Copy Components. See Course Reset permission, set for course offering level, under the Course Management console. Before you begin, ensure the destination course offerings are inactive. To deploy a source course, in the Courses tool, click the Source Courses tab. Click the Actions menu for the source course you want to deploy and select Deploy. On the Deploy Source Course screen, select the inactive course you want to deploy to. Click Deploy. On the Deploy Course Confirmation dialog, click Deploy. You receive a notification in Update Alerts on the nav bar when the deployment is complete. Now you know how to deploy a source course to copy the contents of a single source course into multiple inactive course offerings at once. Thanks for watching.